The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Meta platforms with the ticker symbol META. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for Meta platforms, and we're pretty much just going sideways ever since we made this very nice move up in early November. Obviously, this is still a downtrend, but let's analyze the more recent price action first. If I zoom in on the chart, we had this nice little impulse higher. So this is a nice little thrust towards the upside. Basically, we try to come back in to fill in this gap right here at right around that 130 level. So that's pretty much my target for Meta platforms. Looks like we're kind of just going sideways, so we're holding most of the gains from this move up, so that's a good sign. We're kind of just going sideways in this little range right here. So if we do break lower, there's a good chance this might be a trap for another leg up higher. So that's what I'm envisioning to occur, especially because the SPY also looks like it wants to continue higher. So when you see a lot of other charts look like they want to continue higher, then it just makes more sense and it just adds more confluence to your analysis. So this is the overall downtrend. Pretty much started back here in, you can say, April of this year. Obviously, we've been going down since September of last year, but there is a spike in channel. So this is the channel after the spike down that formed right here in early April. So this is a several month long downtrend channel, and since we are just at the lower side, market structure tells me come back up to the upper side most of the time, unless this downtrend is really strong, which it doesn't look like it. So it's not really at a sharp angle. So we should reach up here maybe mid-December. We'll have to wait and see, but maybe we don't either. But I think the probability still stands on the bullish side that we see another leg up, but we could see a little more downside before seeing that another leg up. So looking for that 130 target still. Let's go and wrap it up on the weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, you can see how overextended we are from the EMA. So it looks like we're just pulling back to that EMA. It looks like any short sellers that went short right here about to get hit their stop losses. So once we break above this 120 level, I think we're going to see a nice move up to that 130 level, because we are overextended and short sellers are trying to short at low prices when they should be shorting at higher prices. So obviously this is still a downtrend. I'm looking for two measured move targets to be reached. The first one is this leg down right here. This will take me to the low 70s. I'll mark it with a horizontal line. So looking for the low 70s first, high 60s, and then the longer term measure move is this one right here, and this one's right at that $40 level. So looking for that $40 target. Me personally, I probably would not be purchasing this company unless I see these two long-term measure moves hit, and probably leaning towards that $40 target. I think we can get there. The stock is looking pretty bearish. You can see we have not even touched this EMA since the beginning of this year, so that's a very bearish chart in my view, but things can change. But as right now, it's looking like we're going to see a short-term pullback, because we're just going to go retest these breakout points, fill in that gap, come near that EMA. It's probably going to act as resistance, and then we're going to see lower prices to these measured move targets. So just a waiting game. It's not going to happen today. Obviously this month is almost over. Next year is approaching. There's only one more month left, so it could be a few months till we see these lower targets. But to invalidate these targets, we need to break above the 240 level, which is very hard to see Meta platforms do. So I think these long-term targets still stand as long as we don't break above that 240 level. So that's all I have for Meta platforms. I'll give you guys an update next week, Tuesday. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel. Since you might be surprised what you can learn, leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video with your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.